Konke kuqale kahle njengoba bekulindeleke ukuthi kugonywe othisha nabasizi babo abangama500 kulesikole. Owengamele ezemfundo uthi naye ugomile namhlanje. Ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kubese kuqubuka izinto.
They told us we are going to get inside through, according to the program, they allocated us time. Now things are so disrupted. There's no marshals.
I think that the problems that you saw today, you won't see them again. It was just anxiety, but it's understandable. They have lost 74 of their colleagues in the province, and everybody thought that let us fight and get this armor, a new weapon against the disease.
Umnyango wezemfundo kanye nomnyango wezempilo bakhiphe isiphakamiso sokufaka amavolunteer eRed Cross kusasa ukuzolekelela. Kwanyamazane eMpumalanga sibalele izinkulungwane ezingama47 izisebenzi zomnyango wezemfundo ezilindele ukugonywa. Ukugonywa kothisha kulindele ukuthi kuphothulwe ezinsukwini eziyisithupha.
Lokho kusijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi abothishele sebeyavaccinate because lokho kuzobenza ukuthi bakhululeke mangabe benza umsebenzi wabo esikoleni.
Sivule ama site la 20 sisebenzisana na iDepartment of Education ukuthi ngaphila ama site la singawavula. Siphinze futhi sibeke 177 yalabo bato vaccinate labasebenzi baka Department of Education.
Kunezikhungo eziyishumi zokugoma othisha esifundazweni. eNorthern Cape, umnyango wezemfundo uthi uzokwazi ukugoma othisha abayizinkulungwane eziyishumi nekhulu kulomkhakha. Lokhu kuza emva kokuthi ukugoma kothisha kuqale ngolonwabo eKimberley. Umnyango uthi ubheke kakhulu izikole ezizimele kanye nezikahulumeni.
Actually, I was skeptical at first, but I just told myself, just go and do it.
We appreciate that our call has been responded to, that the teachers are now being vaccinated in the province, and we are happy that they are here, they are being vaccinated.
This pandemic is having a negative impact on the education system in the province. We are closing schools, our teachers are getting sick. The only hope that we are having for now to try to normalize the education sector is by the vaccination process.
eNorthwest bangaphezulu ka26,000 othisha ukulindele ukuthi bagonywe kulesifundazwe ezinsukwini eziyishumi. Izinyana zothisha kuyiNaptosa neSathu esifundazweni zilwemukele lolu hlelo. Kusenjalo, umnyango wezemfundo uthi lolu hlelo angeke luphazamise ukufunda nokufundisa.
The teaching time that we have lost, it can be recovered, because in most cases when we lose time, we are working on a recovery plan.
Umnyango uqoqozela othisha kuba bagome ukunqanda ukutheleleka ngeCovid-19.